Have you ever noticed that almost every AI video generator has the same problem? You create an amazing video and then it ends after 5, 10, maybe 20 seconds. Whether you're using Veo, Kling, Grok, or any other AI video tool, the biggest limitation isn't the quality anymore, it's the length of the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I turned a short AI generated clip into a complete 2-minute movie using Grok's Extend feature and a simple image reference technique. So let's get started. First, I created an image. In my case, I used an image of a dancing couple. You can download such an image off the internet, anyone you like, or you can create your own. You can create it using Grok, like I'm using, or you can create it using any other AI. At this stage, don't worry about creating a long video. Your goal is simply to get a good first clip with the style, character, and motion you want. Now here I have taken the picture of the couple I was talking about. I have inserted this picture into the Grok Imagine prompt, and I have asked in the prompt to make the couple dance in a romantic setting, ballroom style with 16:9 ratio in a wide shot. Now as you can see, the video has been successfully generated. Wait for all the video to play out, check it completely, and once it is generated, you will notice an option called Extend. Yeah, right there. This is the feature that changes everything. Instead of generating a completely new video, Grok continues the existing scene. The characters remain consistent, the movement stays natural, and the story keeps progressing. So I extended the clip multiple times. Each extension added more footage while preserving the overall look and feel. But there's another trick that makes the results even better. Now let's just wait for it and I'll show you how. Now, after generating this video segment, I paused on a frame that really looked good. Then I saved that frame as an image. And here the image is saved. Now, instead of relying entirely on the previous video, I used the frame as a reference image for the next generation. And now I'm asking Grok to extend the video from the attached frame. You can also be creative, like I'm asking Grok to this time make the lady in the couple fall during the dance. I'm using Grok to generate a step-by-step script with the timeline that matches the dance so that video can end up dramatically. I just generated that script and copied it into the Grok prompt. You can also use other tools like ChatGPT for the same. And paste it into the Imagine prompt and go for the generation of the video. This helps Grok maintain character consistency and reduces the chances of facing clothing or background changing unexpectedly. Think of it as giving the AI a visual checkpoint. Generate a scene, extend it, capture a frame, use the frame as a new reference. Repeat. That's the entire workflow. As I repeated this process, the video became longer and longer while still feeling like a single continuous movie. So you can just repeat this process and eventually you will have enough clips to build a complete 2-minute sequence or even more. And there you have it, our final dance sequence of the dancer falling to the ground is ready. And now all you have to do is just add all these clips together in an editor and form a movie. I imported all the clips into my editor, arranged them in order, trimmed a few sections, added music, and the result looked completely surprising and cinematic. What's interesting is that none of this required advanced editing skills. I wasn't animating anything manually. I wasn't using any complicated softwares. Everything started with a single image and Grok's built-in tools. So if you have been frustrated by AI video generators stopping after a few seconds, well, this workflow can help you push far, far beyond those limits. And honestly, we are only at the beginning of what's possible with AI filmmaking. A few months ago, creating something like this would have taken hours. And today, it can be done in minutes. If you found this useful, guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Please support me so I can bring more and more content like this for you guys. I regularly test AI tools, productivity apps, and new technologies so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.